Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.2.31, input kick substrate left to right price. Part of the identification of a piece of material are the location and or position the item has on the fixture or component. For this example, kick is the location and left to right is the position. Kick parts are identified as sheet or strip. Front and back are referred to as left to right sheet. Side left and side right are referred to as front to back sheet. Sheet parts are structural pieces of material. Strip parts are thin pieces of material used to join sheets and components together. Both left to right and front to back strips are the equivalent of angles, brackets, and corners used to join panels together. The kick has primary dimensions. The position of the parts is from the customer's point of view. When a customer is looking at the display, they are looking at the front of the fixture. Positioning and leveling a fixture on site can be difficult. A separate kick mitigates fixture installation problems. The kick can be separate or an integral part of the base. Substrate refers to the material used as a basic part of the kick component. Kick refers to a component that positions and elevates the fixture. Use the glossary on the tables, definitions, abbreviations sheet to find the definition. 4 kick substrate sheets are included in 2 rows on the detail table on the 1 BSE S_1 cost workup sheet. 4 kick substrate strips are included in 2 rows on the detail table on the 1 BSE S_1 cost workup sheet. The kick left to right sheets are in row 261 on the 1 BSE S_1 cost workup sheet. On Format 1 cost workup sheets, in the detail table there are 24 structured rows beginning with row 261 and ending with row 284, all dedicated to kick substrate materials. The first 8 rows are kick sheets and strips from left to right. The second 8 rows are kick sheets and strips from front to back. The third 8 rows are the kick extra parts. The kick does not occur on any other cost workup sheet format. For this instructions example, plywood is the substrate material that the kick component is made of. Row 261 is substrate kick left to right sheet. Enter $45 per sheet for 3/4 inch thick plywood in cell T261. When the price is entered in cell T261, the total material cost, $1.39 for that piece of material, is calculated in cell X261. If a mistake is made or an entry is missed, they can be corrected at any point, except while a macro is running. After entering the price, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.2.31 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.2.32.